McCoy here with Firehouse Education and this week's Ask Annissa video column. And this week we have another guest with me. I'm so happy lately I've not been alone on camera. We're here in Las Vegas at the Experience Trade Show event, and Kirk has been so sweet and kind to come on camera with me, and he has a question for me. So Kirk, what was that question?
My question is, with our contents facility, when I send the crews out there, how do I know whether to clean in place and maybe put in a storage container or to bring everything back to the warehouse and process in our facility?
Okay.
Pack everything up and out or do it there?
Okay, so what Kirk's talking about, you got two options when you're doing a contents job, right? You either pack it out or do what we call in the industry a clean in place. So pack out is for one of a few reasons. We will pack out contents hands down if it is really, a medium to heavy fire. Like we have to do ultrasonic, we've got to, do some serious cleaning. We're gonna have to pack these items out and take them back to the warehouse to clean them, right? And run them through. If it's a light fire, let's say, or a light smoke situation, or maybe it's even a whole job, right? But light situation where we can clean by hand most of these items, we may do a clean in place so that we don't have the extra expense and hassle and trouble for the client of packing it out. Now, we might still pack it out if we can clean it on site because it's easy, because maybe we have to get the contents out of the way for the structure. Like maybe we have to paint or we have to replace carpet. So we might do like a partial pack out in that instance, right? So really the way we determine what we're gonna do is the degree of the damage to the items. Do we have to use ultrasonic? How intense is our cleaning situation? And then how damaged, if any, is our structure? Because if we have structural damage, oftentimes we have to pack the contents up, get them out of the way, so we can then handle the structure. So, that answer your question? I did that? Okay, great. Okay, I want to thank you, Kirk, so much for coming on camera with me. And because Kirk did, I'm going to give him one of these awesome R&R coffee mugs. So you get to take that home with you.
On the airplane tomorrow.
And again, I really, really, really want to thank you so much for your time. Send me your questions, Annissa@firehouseeducation.com. And don't forget to go to rnrmagonline.com's e-newsletter, click the subscribe button, and you will get this and lots of other goodies every Friday in your email inbox. And on that note, Kirk and I want to wish you a very great day.
Have a great day.